Hi, this is Chip Eichelberger. I get the pleasure of opening and also closing the Florida State Conference and Trade Show this year, coming up on September 20th and 21st. You can check out my website at getswitchedon.com. What I promise, we're going to have an interactive, fun, engaging session, get you real clear on where you are now, visioning, game planning, mindset, and how you can be your best and switched on every single day. Also at the end, we're going to come back for a Breaking Barriers program that's going to be unforgettable. Every year, this is a great opportunity to come get educated, latest technology, network with your peers, and also have fun. Our goal this year is to make it the best event you've ever had. Look forward to seeing you there. If you have any questions for me, chip at getswitchedon.com. I look forward to seeing you there.